welcome back. I hope you all are doing well and you are staying safe. So from the title you already know that today's video is all about Plum Goodness products. I'm going to share you my favorite products that I absolutely love from Plum, and these are the products which I have been using over years and I really like it. Since Plum is having her Diwali sale, I thought that I can definitely recommend you some products which you can definitely try out. So I'm going to talk about each and every product along with the Diwali offers that Plum Goodness is having and everything. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So without any more blabbering, let's get started. So if you guys have been following me for quite a while, you know that I love Plum Goodness as a brand. I have a really special place in my heart for Plum Goodness because this is the brand I started my skincare journey with. Plum Goodness is a complete PETA certified cruelty-free vegan skincare brand. She has a number of makeup items as well which are completely clean. At the same time, her products are in an affordable range, will be working for a lot of people out there, and she has products for every skin concern. That made me so happy about this particular brand. Plum is having sustainable packaging of our products, recyclable packaging, so Plum looks after us. At the same time, Plum Goodness looks after our environment. And I'm so happy to announce that Plum is having her Diwali sale from the 22nd of October 2021 to the 25th of October 2021, where you can avail up to 40% off on most of our products on her official website, that is plumgoodness.com. If you place an order of rupees 9.99 or above this, you will be getting her olive and macadamia travel size hair spa kit as a freebie, which is one of my favorite hair care range from Plum. If you place an order of rupees 1499 or above that, you'll be getting her hair spa kit free. Along with that, you will be also getting a gift voucher worth rupees 500. The serums are available at 15% off. Along with that, the gift sets or the kits are available at 35% off. So these are some amazing offers that you can definitely avail during Plum's Diwali sale. You can take advantage of these amazing offers and get your favorite stuffs. So now I'm going to talk about the products which I have been using over years and I absolutely love. So coming to the first product is the one that I have been recommending you for years now and I absolutely love it. I think I have been using it for over 6 years. This is the Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask. So it's a clay based mask which is meant for oily combination acne prone skin. If you have whiteheads and blackheads issues, this is the mask that you should try out. It is a clay based mask. It's going to suck out gunk and grime from your pores, and it's going to make your skin really clean. It's going to detoxify your skin. Contains green tea which has got antioxidant properties. It's going to treat your acne. At the same time, it has got glycolic acid which has the ability to fade your acne marks and spots that you have. It does not dry out my skin. My skin feels so light because it actually helps in clearing up my skin. So I have been using this for years now. Highly recommend it. Try it and you're going to thank me. So the next product is from our makeup line. It's also one of my favorites and it's the Plum Goodness Nature Studio All Day Wear Kajal. This is the most long lasting kajal that I have used till date, guys. I have got two shades which I absolutely love. Both of these are going to work for all out there. The first one is in the shade Black Brilliance. This is how it looks like. You can just apply it on your waterline as your kajal, or else you can use it as your liner. Another shade that you can definitely try out from the Nature Studio range is the shade called Gemstone Green. Beautiful teal color which is having deep blue undertone. Wearable shade which you can definitely use on an everyday basis on your waterline as well as on your lash line as your eyeliner. Today I have used this particular Gemstone shade as my eyeliner. You can see I'm going to swatch it here. Look at the pigmentation, so pigmented, very smooth texture, jet black. These are gel eyeliners. When you apply it, it's going to apply really smoothly, but within 15 to 20 seconds of its application, it becomes completely smudge proof, budge proof, super duper long lasting kajal. It's a complete sweat proof kajal, so it's going to work for the college girls out there. If you are going to college, office, it will be staying on your waterline throughout the entire day. If you want to smudge it and create a kind of smoky eye look as I have done today, you have to work very fast and smudge out that coal because it sets very fast. Once it sets, it's not going to budge. If you want to try out a really long lasting kajal, these are the ones you can try out, and each of these kajals comes with its own sharpener with which you can definitely sharpen the product. So the next product is one of my current favorites and I have been using it a lot, guys, and you can see I have already finished up this one. This is the Plum E-Luminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. This is a brilliant cleansing balm in an affordable range, guys. It helps in melting your makeup so well. At the same time, it gets well emulsified with water. That means you're not going to get any kind of oily residue on your face. It helps in removing your waterproof makeup really well, waterproof mascara, super duper long lasting liquid lipstick really well. I really like it. If you are searching for a really affordable cleansing balm, I think you should definitely try out the Plum one, and you're going to definitely love it. So the next two products are her shower gels, and these are the Plum Goodness body loving shower gels. I got two variants. These are the mini ones which I got, but surely you can get the bigger bottles of these. This is in the variant Hawaiian Roomba, and it's such a beautiful fresh smell. It will take you to the beaches, having an exotic smell. This Oopsie Daisy is also having beautiful fragrance with slightly floral kind of jasmine fragrance with a tinge of orange as well. These are actually shower gels which will definitely going to moisturize your skin, at the same time not make your skin flaky or dry, and your bathroom will smell good and you will feel super duper fresh. You should try out any of these two variants, guys, and you will be really loving it. So the next product that I'm going to talk about is this one, which I can't find right now, but I really love it. This is one of my most used face washes out there. This is the Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash, and this particular face wash is having complete gel texture with cellulose beads which are not going to be at all gritty on your skin. Complete gel texture, is having green tea extracts which helps in soothing and calming down your skin, has got antioxidant properties. Perfect face wash that can be used on an everyday basis twice daily. I love it. It works really well on my combination acne prone skin. So another product that you can definitely try out from Plum is this shampoo. This is the Plum Avocado Soft Cleanse Shampoo. You guys know that I do have super frizzy, the most curly hair out there, and this shampoo works on my hair. It helps in making my hair feels soft to some extent, but I love how it actually cleanses my scalp, cleanses my roots really well. Love it. It does not contain any parabens, sulfates. It contains avocado, which is going to nourish your hair as well. I have already finished up this complete bottle. This much is left and I really like it. So these are basically all the products which you can definitely try out from Plum Goodness sale, and you are definitely going to love it. These are the must try products according to my opinion. Along with that, I would definitely say you can try out the entire green tea range by Plum, which actually works so well on my combination acne prone skin type. You can try out her oil-free, green tea oil-free moisturizer if you have very oily skin. That moisturizer also works so well in treating your acne. Her green tea renewed night clarity gel is another hidden gem from Plum that you guys need to try out. Such beautiful gel texture, works so well on acne prone skin to soothe your skin at the same time to treat your skin. And another product that you can definitely try out from Plum is her E-Luminous Moisturizing Cream for the winter months. If you do have oily combination skin type and if you want more of a gel based, lightweight, soft kind of moisturizer for your skin for the drier winter months, you can surely try out her E-Luminance range. You can also try out Plum's Hello Aloe Gel, which is a kind of multi-purpose product which can be used both on your skin, on your body, on your hair. You can use it as your hair mask. You can use it just on the drier parts of your body in order to even more moisturize and hydrate your skin. I haven't tried out any of Plum Goodness serums, guys. I'm so eager to try out. You guys recommended me. I'm going to surely place an order and will get a few serums from Plum because I'm so excited to try out. So that's all, guys. These are some few recommendations of Plum Goodness products that you can definitely try out during Plum's Diwali sale, which has already started from the 22nd of October till the 25th of October. So you have to work really fast and take advantage of the offers that Plum is running. I must say, try out her green tea clear face mask, Nature Studio Kajal, her cleansing balm, which I think, and her shampoo. These are the products that you should definitely try out. I'm going to put the links of all of these products along with the products which I already had talked about down in the description box, along with the offers and everything with the official website of Plum Goodness. Everything in the description box. If you want, you can definitely check that out. So I hope you really liked this video. If you did, do not forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. We'll see you soon with some amazing content. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye, guys.